Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakant Biradar. In the learning process of Java, in today's topic, we discuss about the access modifiers. Now, what are the access modifiers? Access modifiers are is the specification or specify accessibility of a scope or field, constructor or method, etc. Access modifier access the type of method, and it also access the visibility of method. Now in Java there are four types of access modifier. Number one is public access modifier, number two is private modifier, number three is protected modifier, and number four is default modifier. Now first, public modifier. Public modifier, we can use this public modifier in class, variables, constructors, methods, etc. We can use it with instance variable, but we cannot use public modifier in local variable. If we use, there will be error. uh, and Public modifier, we can access this public modifier everywhere. We can access inside the class and outside the class. Also we can access inside the package and also outside the package. Now the second method is private modifier. We can use this private modifier in constructors, methods, variables like static, non-static, or instance variable, but we cannot use it with outer class and local variable. We cannot apply the private modifier. Now the scope of private modifier, or the accessibility of private modifier. The accessibility of private modifier is within the class. Within the class, we cannot use it outside the class. We cannot use it outside the class, or we cannot use it outside the package. The private modifier accessibility is only within the class. Then protected modifier. We can use the protected modifier with variables, instance variables like static, non-static, again constructors, methods, but we cannot use protected modifier with local variables and class. Now accessibility of protective modifier is within the class, only within the class, within the class, outside the class, and within the package and outside the package, only if the child class is made in the another package, only if we can access the protected modifier. If we cannot create the child class of the parent class, then we cannot access protected modifier in the outside the package. Now default. When you write or when you put before any class, method, constructor or variable default, it shows the syntax error. It means we cannot write the default directly. It means if the access level is not defined or access level is not given, then it is a default modifier. Automatically and internally it act as a default modifier. Default modifier we use everywhere, but in local variable cannot take any above three modifier. Public modifier, private modifier, and protective modifier cannot use with local variable, but default is already defaulted. There will be no modifier. We can use it. It means it's a defaulted modifier. Now accessibility of default modifier. We can access default modifier only within the class. Outside the class, outside the package, we cannot access it outside the class or outside the package. The accessibility of default modifier is only within the class. It's all information about the access modifier. Thank you.